Hello, welcome to the We're Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook group step by step. First, go to the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the group option from the drop-down list. To create a new group, go to the plus icon in the upper right. Then choose the one that says Create a Group from the two options that appear in front of you. As you can see, you can give a name to the group you want to create here. You can then choose whether the group should be public or private. Your group is now created. You can select the people you want to invite to your group from this list, or you can search and invite the person who is not on the list. Here you can select an informative cover photo related to your group's theme by clicking on the Upload Cover Photo option. Your group is now created. By clicking on the sharing options presented to you here, you can perform actions such as invitation, photo sharing, and post sharing, writing a description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.